Hello little engineers, welcome to Fun with Robotics. This is Urmi speaking from Gobeshona Learning Academy. Today you will learn a very practical and smart project that is automatic street lamp. This project shows us how to use sensors, controllers and loads to create a system where lamps turn on automatically at night and off during the day. So let's get started. By the end of this session, you will be able to understand the role of sensors, controllers and loads and learn how to make proper circuit connection, practice a hands-on project to build an automatic street lamp, discover real-life applications of this technology. So let's mix theory and practical fun. What is sensor? A sensor is a device that detects any changes in the environment and responds by sending a signal to another electric system. Example, fire sensor detects flame, temperature sensor detects heat, light sensor detects brightness and motion sensor detects movement. In this project, do humans have sensors? Yes, humans also have sensors. That means natural sensors in their body. Eyes detect light and colors, skin detects touch and temperature, ears detect sound, tongue detects taste and nose detects smell. So just like our body sense change, electronic circuits also needs sensor to react their surroundings. In robotics and electronics, we use many types of sensors such as fire sensor that detects flame or fire, temperature sensor detects heat, light sensor detects brightness, PIR motion sensor detects human or animal movement, IR proximity sensor detects object, ultrasonic sensor measure distance and obstacle sensor also detects object. So for our automatic street lamp, the obstacle sensor plays a major role. What is load? A load is a device that consumes electrical energy to do some work. Example, bulb lights up, buzzer produces sound, pump moves water, speaker plays audio, LED it glows light and fan it spins. So in our project, the lamp is the load. It will turn on and off depending on the sensor input. A controller is like the brain of the system. It processes signals from sensors and decides how the load should behave. Example, Arduino Uno ESP32 and Easier Pro development board. In today's project, we will use the Easier Pro development board, which is non-programmable, works on 5V, and it's very effective for sensor-based mini projects. Obstacle sensor is a sensor that detects any object by emitting IR light. So it sends invisible infrared light forward. This is IR light, invisible light. And if something is front of this sensor like a wall, hand or car or any object, then IR light reflects back and the sensor detects the reflection and sends signal to the controller board. This way the sensor can detect any movement or the presence of object and help to control the lamp. The Easier Pro board is where we connect the sensor and the load. It receives digital signals and it operates at 5V. It helps us easily test small project. It's totally non-programmable and easy to use. So we connect the obstacle sensor to the board and the lamp to the output. So here is the mechanism of automatic street lamp and let's see how it works. The sensor detects object or obstacle like cars. Then a sensor sends signal to the Easier Pro development board, and the Easier Pro development board processes the signal and the board activates the lamp. The lamp automatically switches on when the sensor detects any object. This is the pin configuration of obstacle sensor and Easier Pro board. It's totally easy to connect. Sensors VCC connected to the power pin of Easier Pro, that means 5 volt. Sensors ground pin goes to the Easier Pro ground pin. Sensors out pin connected to one of the input pin of Easier Pro board. So this simple connection allows the sensor to control the lamp through the board. Here we use obstacle sensor and Easier Pro development board and light as a load. For street lamp project we need light, so I use here LED. We already learned about obstacle sensor and its mechanism, and also learned about the sensor integration and all of this pin connection or configuration. We can see that there is no object in front of the sensors, that's why it can't detect anything. When I will place anything or any object in front of this, it will emit IR light and it will send signal to the controller board by detecting any object. Let's see. This automatic street lamp concept can be used in many real-world applications such as obstacle avoiding robot, parking assistance system, automatic door lights, smart dustbin, smart sanitizer, and smart city street lighting system where lamps save electricity by turning on only when needed. Important safety reminder: do not connect high power loads directly. The maximum is 5 ampere and 5 volt. Always connect positive to positive and negative to negative connection. If connection are wrong, the circuit or board may get damaged. So see you in the next Fun with Robotics session. Stay curious and keep experimenting.